Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet. First, you will need to download the Trust Wallet application from your device's official app store. Once installed, you can easily create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your unique 12-word recovery phrase. Remember, securing this phrase offline is absolutely critical, as it is the only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. Keep it safe and private. Now let's explore sending and receiving cryptocurrencies. To receive funds, simply tap the Receive button on your main wallet screen. This will display your unique wallet address and a QR code for easy sharing. When sending, select the desired cryptocurrency, tap Send, and then input the recipient's address and the amount. Always double-check all transaction details, including the address and amount, before confirming to ensure your funds go to the correct destination. Trust Wallet also offers powerful features like the built-in swap and D-app browser. The swap function allows you to easily exchange one cryptocurrency for another without leaving the application, often with competitive rates. Furthermore, the integrated D-app browser opens up a world of decentralized applications. You can connect your wallet to various D-apps, enabling you to engage with decentralized finance protocols, NFT marketplaces, and many other Web3 services directly and securely. Finally, let's talk about crucial security best practices. Your 12-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. Always enable extra security features like a strong passcode or biometric authentication on your device. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts, suspicious links, or unsolicited messages that ask for your private information. Staying informed and vigilant is your best defense against potential threats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.